Number 11. Local delivery services. E-commerce is booming, and small businesses are scrambling to get their products into customers' hands. That's where local delivery services come in. Simple, in demand, and highly profitable. Step 1. Reach out to local shops, restaurants, or online sellers in your area. Think bakeries, clothing boutiques, tech stores, or even freelance sellers on Instagram or Facebook Marketplace. Many of them are too small to hire full-time delivery staff, which makes you their perfect solution. Step 2. Offer your delivery services. You can start with a simple message. I can pick up and deliver orders in your neighborhood for a fee. Set expectations clearly. Delivery times, areas covered, and payment terms. Reliability is everything here. The smoother and faster your service, the more clients you'll attract. Step 3. Set pricing per delivery or offer a subscription package. Most deliveries earn $10 to $30 each, depending on distance and size. With multiple clients, it's possible to make $1,000 to $2,000 a month without working crazy hours, just smart scheduling and consistent service. Here's the secret growth hack. Reliability is your best marketing tool. One happy client will refer you to 5 more, and word spreads fast in a local community. Soon, you're not just a delivery service, you're the go-to person people trust to get their goods safely and on time. So if you've got a bike, a scooter, or even a car, you can turn simple deliveries into serious cash while building a business reputation that grows every day. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.